Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can fix the error unknown error has occurred on ChatGPT. So for the first method, you can just go to here, 3 dots, go to settings, go to privacy and security, and go to third-party cookies. Go to see all site data and type in ChatGPT. Alright, and then you can just delete this, and then you can just click on this trash icon and hit delete. So for the second method, you can just use ChatGPT on incognito mode, which you can just go to here, 3 dots, go to new incognito window, and type in ChatGPT. And you can see if it's actually working or not. And for the last method, you can just use a VPN to use ChatGPT. I've actually had it installed already, but you can just go to Chrome Web Store and install your own VPN to use ChatGPT. And now it should work. So now you know how to fix the error. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.